The Indian smartphone maker Lava International has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Blaze series called LavaBlazeX, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The LavaBlazeX 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 3D curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the LavaBlazeX 5G houses a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 64-megapixel main camera with Sony sensor, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens. At the front it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.4 by 73.85 by 8.45 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The LavaBlazeX 5G has been priced for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone will be available at a discount price as follows for a limited period of time, starting from July 20th, in Starlight Purple and Titanium Gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this LavaBlazeX 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.